Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some localbridge.exe error in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a cmd and open up command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. Restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.